Hello guys, welcome to this video. Tesla has finally rolled out supercharger stations in North Dakota, and now the 48 lower contiguous states can be traveled in a Tesla vehicle. 3 years ago, Elon Musk tweeted that you could travel anywhere on the contiguous United States, but he forgot North Dakota. So now you have supercharger stations in Fargo, Jamestown, Bismarck, and Dickinson. And that's along the I-94 corridor. And it connects, it goes, I-94 pretty much runs through North Dakota from east to west. And it's a very busy corridor. And it was the last stretch of highway in the United States, the contiguous 48 states, that you couldn't travel easily with a Tesla vehicle. What's interesting is Tesla actually installed the version 3 of the Supercharger, which is capable of charging vehicles at 250 kilowatt hour. So this is what the station looks like, the one in Bismarck. It is at a shopping center. You have restaurants, shopping, you have a Best Buy, you have a pet shop, a Petco. There's also an ice cream shop in this shopping center. And these are version 3 superchargers, which is quite good. They allow the long range and the performance Model 3 to be charged at 250 kilowatt hour, at 250 kilowatts, sorry. So yeah, this is what they look like. And you can tell these are version 3 by looking at the cable that you plug into your Tesla vehicle. They are actually liquid cooled, so they are smaller than some of the older superchargers. There is no special marking on the supercharger that will tell you what version it is. So just looking at the cable, you can see it's smaller than what you would typically expect from a supercharger. And when these were installed, the story is initially they were free, but I believe now if you don't have free supercharger enabled for your Tesla, then you will be charged a small fee. So this has been a long time coming. It was promised for late 2019 and ended up happening, I believe, in June 2020. But at last, the stations are here. North Dakota shows, I believe, less than 200 electric vehicles registered because of, I believe, mostly the very brutal winters. But what's amazing is you go to Bismarck, Minot, and some of the bigger cities, and you will see a lot of electric vehicles, especially Teslas, Model 3s, and the Type S. Lots of them can be seen daily driving around. So even though the state registry shows less than 200 electric vehicles in the whole state, I believe the actual number that drive up and down the roads in the state is much higher than that. So this generated quite a bit of excitement. Residents are happy. People who are sitting on the fence thinking about going electric with the Tesla now have a reason why they could get their Tesla in North Dakota. Version 3 superchargers would charge and give you about 75 miles of range in about 5 minutes. And if you have your vehicle down, according to some tests that were done by magazines, you could get a full charge on the Model 3 in about 40 minutes. Thanks for watching and see you guys on the next video.